How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. We're working on the Golf today. It's been a little bit since we worked on the Golf. I've really just been waiting on a part for it that I ordered a while ago. I pre-ordered it from Aerofabb. It is a new Aerofabb piece, as I just said. Something that I've been waiting on forever, not only for shipping, not Aerofabb's fault, but waiting for the shipping, waiting for the pre-orders to get completed, waiting for this product to even come out. So right over here, we have the new Aerofabb Mk7 GTI Rear Diffuser. This is their new rear diffuser, made of metal, and it's got some plastic bits on there as well, but it is Aerofabb all the way, no denying it. It's got all the branding on it, little sticker on the back, and when I say there's no denying it's Aerofabb, I mean all their stuff just matches so perfectly, which is why I wanted to get the rear diffuser as well. I didn't want to go with like the Maxton one or any other one like that. I've just been waiting for the Aerofabb kit. I never saw any of the used ones for sale, and then when these came out and were on sale for pre-order, I had to pick one up. So it's finally time to scrap this rear diffuser. There was a guy who reached out saying that they wanted it. If he doesn't want it, then yeah, send me a message on Instagram or something. If you are interested in picking this one up, I'll sell it for really, really cheap. Granted, this rear diffuser is a tenth of the price compared to the Aerofabb one, but the quality is just so much better. It's like perfect fitting for this car. The hardware is way better than whatever this stuff is, which is just like some Phillips heads and screws and things like that. But this was always going to be temporary, so I'm excited to take it off. It didn't look terrible, but it's certainly no Aerofabb piece. So I'm just going to get the instructions open, follow them, and work on this. Take my time, make sure it looks all good. I'm going to get the old one off, film not all the steps, but the process of it, and then I'll show you the final result. So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Guys, rear diffuser is all mounted, bolts are tightened, and it looks so sweet. So here it is. It sticks out way past the body line on the edges, comes around, fits really nicely through the rear, and it actually has mounts on the chassis. It's not just drilled into the bumper, so that's kind of cool. Coming around the other side here, we have the same thing. I really, really love that. From here, it's got one look. From here, it's got a different look. So super cool. I'm gonna get the car off the jack stand, put her on the ground, and get some better shots. All right, and here it is. The car's kind of moved out of the way a little bit to get a better view of the back. That's so cool. It looks way better in person. Just everything about this makes the rear end look a little different, a little more aggressive. Right there, that's a pretty good representation of how far the edges kind of come out from underneath the bumper. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to take some really nice video here. You guys will see it in just a second once I do the outro. But otherwise, this is it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this is the Aerofabb rear diffuser. It's brand new. You can go order it if you want to. Super happy to have the whole kit on the front, rear, and side. So really happy with it. The car desperately needs wheels now, but we'll address that soon enough. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.